So you created your edit and you then decide that you want to put on a voiceover. Nip into Fairlight, click on the input, and hang on, now where's my microphone? With Davinci Resolve, you actually need to plug in the microphone before you start it. So the best thing to do is save the project, come out and load it again. Now when I click on the input, see my input, I've now got my microphone. Add that and patch it. So now come to the audio one. You can either add another track if you want to, or you can change the track type to mono. This would be best for voice because obviously it isn't in stereo. If you've got a conversation, it would be slightly different. Add in that track. There we go. Add it in, patch it, and we're done. So before we record, we need to arm the track, ready to record. And then click on the little circle to record it. And then we get the recording, as you can see on the screen. Record whatever you want to say. Pause it, play it back, everything else. If you're not happy with it, obviously the choice is yours to do whatever you want. Maybe delete it. But at that point, now you can start to edit the vocal to see what it sounds like by using the Fairlight controls. You might want to have a close-up and see what we were actually talking about. Click on the little icons there, and you've got a floating viewer. So you can see that playing. Position that to wherever you want it, and start to play through. Other things you might want to think about are renaming the audio to audio 1 as voiceover, and then perhaps changing the track colour so when you're on another edit page you can see exactly what it's on about without going through it.